So in this video, we're going to be looking at UV features of these banknotes. And this lot I've shown before in an unboxing, so I just had them on the table. I just wanted to see what type of UV features they do exhibit. So the 10,000 pesos exhibits nothing that I can see. Maybe it's just too dirty, so it doesn't show up on the UV. You can see the actual light is purple, ultraviolet. That's what it is, violet color. And we got the 100 escudos, nothing. So that's from 1970, so not surprised. So 1961. Then we have the, there you go, the 100 pesos. This one's, sorry, what date was that? I can't remember. But you can see the UV feature there going around. And it's quite simple. So take it off, it disappears. And on this side, no UV features there, so quite simple. That banknote is from probably the 1970s or 80s, I'd say 80s. Okay, then we got the Indonesian 1992. You can see simple little UV strips on the other side. No, that's quite simple. The Malawi Banknote, no UV features on that one. Pity. The Greek 50 drachma from 1978. It's quite obviously 1970s banknotes are likely not to have UV features. They started in Belarus. Oh, this is a bit hard pressing it. Okay, Belarus. Now I got some. Same as the Philippines banknote. That's about it. But this is low valued anyway, so not surprised it doesn't have that many security features. Not worth counterfeiting or faking at all. Okay, this one also low value. Not surprised there's only the 100 on it. Yeah, so that's it. And on the other side, don't have any. Okay, hyperinflation banknote. I doubt that these probably have UV features because these weren't in circulation for quite that long. Probably a year or two, and then inflation took them out. So they're pretty much just printed. Okay, this one should have some. Yes, there you go. This is equivalent to about $5. So it does have UV. This one never suffered from hyperinflation. Okay. Vietnam. This was issued during the inflation period, so probably not got any on it. No, it's just creasing on the banknote. Okay, Papua New Guinea. This might have. This is equivalent to no. I'm surprised. Ah, well. That is quite a nice banknote, but it doesn't have any. Ah, well, that's a pity. Hey, Cambodia. Well, it has some minor ones. No. Another Belarusian. This has a higher value, but still no UV features on that side. Maybe a little bit strips. Okay. Russia. Yeah, this was an inflation banknote. The quality doesn't feel, it's like just the A4 paper. Feels like pretty cheap paper. It does have some security, some UV features. Okay, the Malawi banknote. Oh, it has some. And Turkish. It has those strips again. So I reckon if you want to get better UV features, you're probably going to go banknotes that are currently in circulation. So, okay, the Burmese banknote. I don't expect this to have much. 100 Kwai, it's been changed over to a coin now, but it does have some UV, you can see. And same on the other side. That's about it. Okay, this is the banknote from the 70s. So I wouldn't expect it to have any UV features. No. And the last one is the Indonesian. Oh, it has the... Oh, this one has the most strips that I've seen on any of these banknotes. Okay, that's cool. And, yep. So that's it. None of these have really many UV features. This one had none at all. But I hope this encourages you to check out UV on banknotes. And I will do some more current banknotes. So the first one I'll do is the Maldives. So I think they're going to have good features. And then Malawi. Not Malawi, Nigeria. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.